What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sasha Talia. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you are here with me today for this video. Today's video is just a small haul. I ended up going to Target and just got, actually got one item today. Yeah, baby. I actually got one item today, and then me and hubby went out. Me and my hubby went out the day before and got a candle that I'm going to show you guys and tell you all about it. Yeah, Trajito likes it. It smells good, huh? So if you guys are into hauls and into like shop with me, if you guys are interested in these types of videos, let me know in the comments down below, or be sure you subscribe. Be sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave. As you can see, I have my little one right here with me, so it's just me and him right now, and hubby is at work, so he'll probably be in the video a lot of my videos, I would say. So I'm finding some really good pieces at Target. This is so nice right here. And then this big old vase is only $25, you guys. And then I found this one. This one's for $20. Like, look how nice that is. Only 20 bucks. Debating on getting it. So we'll see. I found this Casa Luna knit, which is super nice and really soft. And then I found these throw pillows for 20 bucks for a 2-pack. So we'll see. I might put some things back. I gotta see with everything, because this Casa Luna blanket is expensive. It's $59, and that's not including tax. So I got all these nice candles. 4 pieces. These throw blankets, $30. Pillows. Oh, this is nice. You can put this in front of your bed or something, or in the entranceway. That's really nice. And this is all the threshold section. Look how nice this stool is. Got some more candles. Oh, look at this. It's a candle holder, $5. This for $15. It's really nice. Look at all these neutral pumpkins. Oh, the glass too. $15. This whole middle section. This is really nice. This container. It's $10. We got a bigger one for $12.99. Your soaps and lotions. Okay, you guys, so I have this beautiful candle. As you can see, I had lit it. I lit it last night and literally had the whole house smelling so good. Huh? It smells good, huh, baby? Yeah. It smells just like fall. Just fall in a candle. It's right here. This one is the Threshold Soy Wax Blend Candle, and the scent is Ginger Snap Spice. So definitely has that cinnamon kind of scent to it. You want to smell it again? So it definitely has that cinnamon and whatever ginger. I don't know. It just smells kind of like pumpkin to me. So this candle was for $15, I believe. So what I really like about this candle is that once everything's burnt out and stuff, I can repurpose this right here, and it could just be a cute little bowl that I can put in the entry, like the table and stuff, and I can put like our keys or whatever, or I can put jewelry and stuff in here is what I was thinking. So definitely, if you see this at Target, definitely pick it up because it smells so good. And then, as you can see right here, we have this big old blanket from Casa Luna. This is soft. From Casa Luna, and the shade, the color that I got was natural. What I'm going to do is end up washing it and stuff. And I'm pretty sure once you wash this type of material, like any knit, they kind of get softer and stuff. So yeah, so this is what I got. This one was $65 with tax and everything like that. So 65 bucks. It was definitely a splurge on a knit blanket, but this is a full to queen. So hopefully it's a good fit for my bed. I'll lay it along the front and I'll show you guys how I have it all laid out and stuff in my bed. There's a few more things that I would like to get, but I'll bring you guys along as I'm updating my house and stuff. And if you're interested, or if you have any recommendations on what I should do with my home, or just like certain pieces that you're like, girl, you need to have this piece, like, you know, let me know in the comments down below. Let's conversate down there. And yeah, there was a whole bunch of pieces. There's this one vase. There's this one vase that I feel like I need. Okay, Traville. Say hi. Yeah, so there's one vase. I'll see if I can link it down below. It's $25. So it's not like that expensive, but I mean $25 for a vase, but it's pretty tall and stuff. And I want to put either my pampas or bunny tails down here in the living room. So yes, Daddy's in that photo. So that is my idea. Yes, Daddy. That is my idea for setting up the living room. Just a few more pieces in here. And then I think I'll probably maybe done. And there were certain deals from Casa Luna. Their sprays and like room sprays. There was one, I think it's, oh my gosh, Harmony is the name of it. And that was on sale for $7. I smelled it. I couldn't decide if I really liked it or I like semi-liked it. I don't know. For me, I couldn't grab it. Normally those room sprays go for $10 and that one was on sale for $7. So if you love that scent Harmony, then that one's on sale. So get your hands on it while it's on the shelves, because I know certain Targets, they're already sold out. So yeah, definitely cop you a room spray if that is your go-to scent for your room, your living room, what have you. What else did I see? A whole bunch of pillows. So many pillows, you guys. I did find, if you see in the video, I did find 2 throw pillows, but I couldn't have my heart set on them. And there was a set of 2 for $20 and stuff, but now like kind of looking at my living room, I probably should have got them. That's, I don't know. So yeah, and then if you guys seen that beautiful desk, I tried to get a price on it. I didn't see anything. I probably should have asked a worker or whatever to see how much it was. But yeah, I didn't see anybody around at the moment to see how much it was. But looking at it, I think that's like $3 something and up. Like, it was very fancy and something I would like to have in my beauty room, because I feel like it would just elevate that room like so much more. But hopefully I can update you guys with whatever else I'm buying you guys. So I hope you enjoy these types of hauls. I will show you a clip of this on my bed and stuff. And I will see you guys on the next video.